The universe began about 13.8 billion years ago. At that moment, all space, time, energy, and matter existed in an extremely hot and dense state. This event is known as the Big Bang, not an explosion in space, but the expansion of space itself. As the universe expanded, it cooled. Within minutes, the first simple elements formed, mainly hydrogen and helium. Hundreds of millions of years later, gravity began to pull matter together. The first stars were born. Inside these stars, nuclear fusion created heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron. When massive stars died, they scattered these elements across space. Over time, this material formed new stars, planets, and eventually life. Every atom in your body has a history. The carbon in your cells was formed inside a star. The oxygen you breathe was created in stellar reactions billions of years ago. From a scientific perspective, you are not separate from the universe. You are a direct result of its evolution. But understanding the origin of matter is only part of the picture. Modern physics shows that what we can observe as stars, planets, galaxies, makes up only about 5% of the total universe. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter does not emit or absorb light. We detect it only through its gravitational effects. Dark energy, on the other hand, appears to drive the accelerated expansion of the universe. Despite decades of research, their true nature remains unknown. This means that most of reality is still beyond our current understanding. There are also limits to what we can observe. Because the speed of light is finite, we can only see a certain region of the universe, known as the observable universe. Beyond that boundary, there may be infinitely more space, or something fundamentally different. We do not yet know. From a philosophical point of view, this raises important questions. If consciousness arises from matter, and matter is a product of cosmic evolution, then consciousness itself may be a natural outcome of the universe, not something separate from it. This idea suggests that the universe is not just a physical system, but also a system capable of observing itself through human awareness. At the same time, human perception is limited. Our brains construct a model of reality based on sensory input. We do not experience the universe directly, only an interpretation of it. This means that what we consider reality is, at least in part, a mental representation. In psychology, this raises another question. How much of what we feel, fear, or worrying about is actually, and how much is interpretation? When we place our lives in a cosmic context, the scale changes dramatically. The Earth is a small planet orbiting an ordinary star in one galaxy among hundreds of billions. This perspective does not make human life meaningless. Instead, it highlights something else. That complex structures, including life and consciousness, can emerge from simple physical laws over time. You are one of those structures, a temporary but highly organized system capable of thought, reflection, and awareness. From this point of view, your existence is not random in a trivial sense. It is the result of consistent processes that have been unfolding for billions of years. And yet, many fundamental questions remain open. What is the true nature of dark energy? Is the universe finite or infinite? Are there multiple universes? Science does not yet have final answers, but it provides a framework for asking better questions. Perhaps the most important realization is this. We are still at the very beginning of understanding. The universe is not only larger than we imagine, it may be fundamentally different from what we are capable of imagining, and that is not a limitation. It is an invitation to continue exploring.